Look at what is likely causing the issue on your Word page. It appears that the formatting is incorrect. Let me show you how it should be. The size of your page does not allow you to see the margins properly. This is not the typical format of a standard A4 sheet that we are accustomed to. Additionally, observe how simple the solution is. You have some options available around the corner. Direct your attention to the right corner of your Word page. You will find different viewing options there. For instance, let's start by looking at the first one. Upon selecting it, your page will appear like this. It might seem strange. This view is known as Reading View. However, there are other options too, such as Print Layout and Web Layout. It is impossible that your current setting is Web Layout. To correct this, select the Print Layout option. Notice how the page returns to its normal appearance. If you cannot locate this option here, you can also access it by clicking on the Display tab or alternatively View tab, depending on your version of Word. You will find the same options there for print layout. Another way to resolve this issue is if your page orientation is misconfigured, it could be set to landscape, which makes it wider than usual. To adjust this, navigate to the Layout tab. Here, you will see the orientation option. Click on it and choose Portrait, which is the standard format. If you require further assistance with Word or would like to learn more about its features, feel free to reach out to me. I will provide my contact details in the description for online classes. Do not hesitate to get in touch. If this is helpful, please leave your feedback in the comments section below. Thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to connecting with you in my upcoming video.